friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Christmas clean and decorate, but first we had a special visitor. Johnny, the... Who is that? He's shocked. He don't know what to do.
That's my sister.
Yeah. So let me explain what just went on. So those of you who are new here, I have a 24-year-old daughter named Jessica. She lives in Florida. And with this year being as crazy as it's been, we haven't been able to get there, or she hasn't been able to come here. So we were really, really missing her, and she was missing us. So she found a really cheap ticket, and she just came for 3 days because she is starting a new job. So we made the most of our 3 days. We decorated, we took her into the city to go ice skating, we did some shopping, we just spent quality time, and I love having all of my kids together. So I also treated myself this year to a new tree. We had a 6.5-foot tree, and I just wanted something a little bigger and a little bit fuller. So I got this one from Michael's, and it's 7.5 feet, and it's pre-lit. So I really like the way it looks, and now I'm just going ahead and cleaning up the mess, and then the kids will finish decorating.
Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas.
And now I'm just going to put up my Christmas curtains because I am a little bit extra. And Jess is going to help me, and then we're going to hang up a peace, love, and joy gold banner right over that.
Oh Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging, a symbol of goodwill and love. You'll ever be unchanging, each shining light, each silver bell, no one alive spreads cheer so well. Oh Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging.
And now I'm moving on to my entryway table, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a good cleaning first, and then I will start to decorate. And here I will be putting my tiered tray and a few other decorations. I really like the way it turned out. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Now moving on to this little side table, I'm just going to go ahead and clean it off. And I've been keeping the stockings here every year, but I think I'm going to buy from Bed Bath & Beyond. I saw this cute little standalone stocking stand that believe it was like $30. And I'm going to put that in the living room. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put a few more decorations up and then move on into the living room.
than the sound of your loved ones' voices as they gather around the tree, children happy as can be, wondering where Santa Claus is. Ain't it something to be grateful about? Let's be grateful we're still here. Oh, we're still here for another Merry Christmas. And we're still here with our family and friends. Yeah, we're still here with a chance to make things brighter. We're still here for another Christmas. We're still here for another Christmas.
So I went ahead and I made this wreath I bought from Walmart last year for $10. It was just plain. I added these two picks from Michael's on each side, some Christmas lights, and this big bow, and I think it looks so pretty. Moving on to the bathroom, I went ahead and found this cute shower curtain from TJ Maxx. It's trucks with the Christmas trees on it, and I did find the matching rug and a few pictures and the soap dispenser, and the bathroom will be decorated and done. So first I want to go ahead and give it a quick clean. I did do a deep cleaning the day before, so I just want to kind of pass over the surfaces again before I put the rest of the decorations up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this video. I am so happy that I decorated early. I don't even care that I skipped over Thanksgiving. It just really put me in the Christmas spirit. And after the year that we've all had, we really need that. It just gives you this happy feeling, and it's so important. Here's a few pictures of our time together with Jess. We miss her so much. I hope that you guys give this video a big like, and please subscribe if you have not done so already, and I will see you again real soon in my next one. Bye.